Okay, so today we're going to be making Indonesian chicken curry. Why did I do that? Or as we call it here, Gulai Ayam. I've got a lot of spices prepared here, so let's get right into it. To begin with, prepare a whole raw chicken and a simple ripe lime. Then scrub the chicken's skin with the lime. This helps to remove any unpalatable odor from the chicken. Thoroughly rub it in, and then let's move on to the star of our delectable gulai, the vibrant spices. You'll need 20 cloves of peeled shallots, 8 large red chili peppers, 12 cloves of peeled garlic, 15 grams of fresh turmeric, 4 candle nuts, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dried fennel, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Phew, that was a mouthful. Take all these beautiful ingredients and chuck them into the food chopper. Let it run until you have a smooth and fine blend like this. Isn't it just astoundingly colored? Prepare a large pan now. Transfer the previously prepared blend to the pan, then take 8 kaffir lime leaves. Lightly rip them before you drop them in. Also take 1 lemongrass stalk and 2 bay leaves. The long list of spices continues. We've had 13 ingredients so far. Now we add 1 dried false mangosteen fruit, 4 cardamom seeds, 2 whole cloves, 2 star anise seeds, 1 centimeter of cinnamon bark, 5 grams of fresh ginger, and 12 grams of fresh galangal. Throw them into the pan, then stir fry them on medium heat until they are lightly roasted. You should be able to smell the spices, and it should smell amazing. With an indulgent 20 ingredients, how can it not? After that, grab the chopped up chicken pieces and slather them with the spices in the pan, keeping the heat on medium. Add a tablespoon of salt, taking care to ensure it's evenly spread out and mixed in. Keep stir frying it until the chicken looks like a pale golden shade. At this point, the chicken is just the slightest bit cooked, and the skin might char if we let it be. So let's add water. Don't add it all at once, pour it in gradually. We added 500 milliliters of water overall, but you can add less or more depending on how thick you'd like the gulai to be. After all the water has been drizzled in, take a small chunk, about 9 grams of palm sugar, and throw that in too. Then, reduce the heat to low and add 200 milliliters of thick coconut milk. This is where the cream and richness of the gulai is going to come from. Now that the coconut milk has joined the party, we need to continuously stir it while also bringing it all to boil. Eventually, the delicious soup should turn into something like this. I added boiled eggs, that's optional. You can add a lot of things to this. If you like chili, you can chop them up and throw them in, like I did. And that's it. All that's left to do is to eat. Okay, now I'm going to take a bite of the chicken. Let's see. Okay. Can't take a bite without the sauce. That's it. Perfect.